Welcome to the land of sun, surf, and sky-high real estate prices. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of California's most luxurious and jaw-dropping expensive homes. Oh, and if this video entertains you, it would be lovely if you subscribe. So, how about we keep going? Number 1. 67 Beverly Park Court, $165 million. The magnificent Villa Firenze, owned by none other than the billionaire Hungarian-American Stephen Udvar-Házy. Situated on over 5 acres of land, this Mediterranean Italian-style mansion is a true masterpiece. Built in 1998 and occupying an impressive 28,660 square feet of living space. As you walk through the 30-car courtyard, surrounded by towering 40-foot-tall Canary Island palms, you can't help but feel you've been transported to an authentic Italian palazzo. With 8 luxurious bedrooms and 11 pristine bathrooms, this mansion is fit for royalty. But that's not all, because this Beverly Hills mansion comes with all the amenities one could ever dream of. Imagine lounging in grottos, practicing your swing on the tennis courts, or picking fresh fruit from the orchard. The 5+ acre backyard even features a jogging trail that surrounds the estate. And don't forget about the 2 guest houses and full house that comes with the property, providing plenty of rooms for visitors to stay in style. It's no surprise that this amazing mansion took over 7 years to build, with every detail meticulously crafted to perfection. The high ceilings and large gathering areas make it the perfect place for entertaining guests or simply enjoying the luxurious lifestyle. But what about the man behind this incredible masterpiece? Stephen Udvar-Házy is worth a staggering $4.1 billion and has owned this mansion since the 90s. However, with his children now grown and moved out, he's looking for a more modest place to call home. Number 2. 924 Bel Air Road, $150 million. The Billionaire Mansion, a Bel Air mega mansion that oozes luxury in every corner. But did you know that this mansion has a rich history dating back to 1967, when it was owned by none other than the legendary actress and singer Judy Garland? Later in 2012, renowned developer Bruce Makowski acquired the mansion for $7.9 million and set his sights on transforming it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. And boy, did he deliver! After 4 long years and with the help of 250 workers, Makowski transformed the mansion into a jaw-dropping architectural marvel that is now worth an astonishing $150 million. But what makes it worth the price tag, you may ask? Well, let's start with the $30 million worth of luxury vehicles that comes with the mansion, including a $15 million Von Krieger 1937 Mercedes, a $2 million Pagani Huayra, and a $260,000 Ferrari 488. The mansion also comes with a mix of classic and modern cars, motorcycles, and a helicopter, though it's just for show. Inside, you'll find a 4-lane bowling alley, pool tables, foosball tables, and a ping pong table, all custom built and made of glass. And let's not forget about the massive $2 million screening room equipped with 40 handcrafted leather reclining seats, a 22-foot screen, and a sound system preloaded with 7,000 movies, plus a candy dispenser to satisfy your sweet tooth. But that's not all. Step outside to find a lounge area with plenty of chairs for soaking up the sun, all in front of a massive infinity pool. Hidden behind the pool is one of the largest residential televisions in the world, measuring a staggering 30 feet wide and overlooking the neighborhood. Number 3. Chartwell Estate, $195 million. The Chartwell Estate. The name alone screams luxury and history. and it's no wonder why. This 10.4-acre property located in Bel Air has seen its fair share of glamour and glitz, having been owned by Arnold Kirkeby and billionaire Jerry Perencho, and even featured on TV in the 60s. But let's talk about what sets this estate apart. The centerpiece of this estate is an 18th century French chateau-inspired mansion, spanning 25,000 square feet and featuring 11 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms. It's the kind of place that would make even the snobbiest of nobles feel right at home. But what seals the deal for the Chartwell Estate is the attention to detail put into making it the perfect place for soirees. The wine cellar can hold an impressive 12,000 bottles, ensuring that the party won't run out of drinks anytime soon. And the private garden? It's the perfect spot for even the most uptight of wine tasting parties. Of course, no party is complete without a pool, and this one is a 75-foot masterpiece. But the party doesn't have to end there. The estate also comes with a 5,700 square foot guest house that has 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Perfect for anyone who never wants to leave this paradise. And if you need to make a speedy getaway, there are underground tunnels that run the length of the property, as well as a helipad. But let's not forget about the interior of the mansion. The antique European furniture designs transport you back to the 18th century, and the massive dining room can seat up to 18 people. And the billiard room, entertainment room, and grand piano stage all add to the historical drama of this property. Legend has it that the late Italian opera singer Luciano Pavarotti would often visit the estate to perform, rest in the guest house, and even practice his singing in the subterranean tunnels. The Chartwell Estate is truly a masterpiece of architectural history that continues to awe and inspire. Before we continue, feel free to comment below with your thoughts about these mansions so far. Would you live in one if given the chance? With that said, let's get going. Number 4. TheOne. $300 million. Have you heard of TheOne? Not only is it the most expensive mansion in California, but it's also the largest mansion in the entire world. With a name like that, it's no surprise that this behemoth of a mansion is located in Bel Air, covering a whopping 5 acres of land. The brains behind this masterpiece are none other than architect Paul McLean and interior designer Catherine Rotondi. Film producer Niall Nayami took on the challenge of owning and developing this mansion, which took 8 years and 600 workers to construct. This mansion boasts over 100,000 square feet of space, making you wonder if there's such a thing as too much floor space. With 20 bedrooms, 30 bathrooms, 2 massive dining rooms, a kitchen that could put restaurants to shame, and a garage that holds 30 cars. This mansion is just getting started. But what's a mansion without entertainment? TheOne comes with a wine cellar that can hold over 10,000 bottles, a bowling alley, 5 swimming pools, a movie theater that can seat 36 people, a large casino, and even its nightclub. And for those who like to stay fit, there's a techno gym filled with every piece of equipment you could need. And if you thought that was all, think again. TheOne also has a 10,000-foot sky deck and a philanthropy wing that can hold 200 people, making it the perfect spot for charity galas and luxury cocktail parties. But let's not forget about the design of this mansion. It's the be-all and end-all of mansions everywhere. With a touch of minimalist design and a healthy amount of marble and see-through glass, it makes the mansion feel even bigger than it already is. And if the mansion itself isn't impressive enough, it also boasts an impressive view of the Los Angeles skyline and the majestic San Gabriel Mountains. TheOne truly lives up to its name. Number 5. The Manor. $160 million. Nestled in the posh neighborhood of Homely Hills, Los Angeles, is a mansion so grand, so vast, that it goes by only one name, The Manor. Built in 1988 for renowned TV producer Aaron Spelling, this magnificent estate is the largest mansion in all of Los Angeles County. The opulent interior of the manor is a true feast for the eyes. From the stunning marble flooring to the sparkling crystal chandelier, every inch of this mansion exudes an air of regal luxury. The grand twin butterfly staircase is the crown jewel of the mansion's classical design, hinting at the high-class lifestyle its architects envisioned for its residents. With a whopping floor area of 56,500 square feet, the manor boasts an incredible 132 rooms, including 35 bathrooms, 14 bedrooms, and 16 guest rooms. The luxurious master bedroom comes with a gargantuan bathroom, complete with a soaking tub, and a wall-length vanity mirror perfect for admiring oneself after the morning routine. Of course, a mansion this massive comes with plenty of amenities to boot. Its lucky owner, Petra Ecclestone, heiress and daughter of Formula One racing magnate Bernie Ecclestone, enjoys a hair salon, a spa, an in-house movie theater, and even a bowling alley. But that's not all. The manor also has its own nightclub on the property, perfect for a night of partying in unparalleled luxury. This magnificent mansion was once on the market for a jaw-dropping $150 million, making it the most expensive real estate listing in the United States at the time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found inspiration from this video. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Until next time, get fluent and stay fluent, fam.